Hey everyone, and welcome again to The Girl with the Shovel. Today we are going to talk about trimming our wonderful pothos. In this short video, I'm just going to show you exactly where and how and maybe a little bit about why it's good to trim your pothos. So first off, all you need is a pair of scissors. Make sure that they're sharp, but pothos don't have very woody stems, so they're pretty easy to trim up. Next, we're going to talk about why we want to trim it. So as you can tell, wow, this guy is really long. He's taller than I am. If you see at the top, he's not very full at all, and it's kind of just long and leggy. And I don't really want that. I want something a bit more bushy, and he's been a little neglected over here in this corner of my house. So I'm going to give him a nice haircut. I'm going to repot him, and he should bush out a lot more on the top, and so we get a lot more full growth, especially on this opposite side. I'm going to give this side some more light, let that kind of encourage this growth over here, and get a much more bushy plant rather than the long trailing guy we have right here. So to do that, I want to trim it. I'm probably going to trim it right about here, and so that this can get the focus here, and all of the energy of the plant will go right into the top here and not way down here. So to do that, let me put it over here. To do that, I'm just going to find a node, which is one of these areas, and I'm going to trim it right there. So let me grab this one, and trim right under a leaf. So right below a leaf right there. Okay, and that will encourage more growth to come out here right below that leaf. I'm going to keep going. Actually only got 4 stems here. This one doesn't have anything for a while. And there you have it, nice and trimmed. Now this guy will have a very nice time getting nice and bushy up top instead of sending all of its energy down a couple feet below. So that was it. Have a good time trimming.